Today in math, we're going to continue doing story problems. But with these story problems, some of them will be subtraction and some of them will be addition. So you really have to listen carefully and think, is the story in this problem getting more or is it taking away? Is it getting less? So if a story problem says how many are left or some were taken away, that means that we are doing subtraction. If a story problem says that they got more, how many are there now? That means we're doing addition. So make sure you're listening carefully to these problems. Here's the first one. We're going to do 3. There were 10 people on the bus. 2 of them got off. How many people are left on the bus? I'll read it again. There were 10 people on the bus. 2 of them got off. How many people are left on the bus? We need to stop and think to ourselves, is this addition, where we're getting more, or is it subtraction, where some of them are leaving or being taken away? What do you think? This one is subtraction. It says that 2 people are getting off of the bus, so they're leaving the bus, and it says how many are left on the bus, how many are still there. So 10 people on the bus. How many left? How many went somewhere else? 2. And we need to find out how much it equals. Like we've done in the past few days, you could use a number line, you could use your fingers, you could use a 10 frame, you could use objects, anything you want. Let's do a picture. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I put them in groups of 5 just so it kind of looks like a 10 frame. 5 on the bottom, 5 on top. And how many are going to leave my bus? 2. Bye-bye. They're going home. How many are still on my bus? Well, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You could also count that by counting on. If you see that there's still this group of 5 on the bottom, you could say 5, 6, 7, 8. That's a quicker way to count. So there would be 8 people left on this bus. Let's do another problem, and I want you guys to listen carefully and think about is it addition or subtraction. Here's the problem. Sarah read 6 books. Then she read 1 more. How many books did Sarah read all together? Let me read it one more time and really think about, are we getting more or are we taking away? Sarah read 6 books. She read 1 more. How many books did Sarah read all together? Try this one at home. So pause the video, try and solve it in whatever way you feel most comfortable, and then come back to the video and we'll solve it together. So in this story problem, Sarah read 6 books. And then she read 2 more. So we need to figure out, is this going to be addition or is it going to be subtraction? Well, she had 6. Oh, I wrote those numbers wrong. Let me try that again. 6 and 1 more. She had 6 books and then she read 1 more. And it's asking how many did she read altogether. So that would be addition. We would be using a plus sign. It's asking how many did she do altogether. None of them were taken away. So 6 plus 1, let's see if we can do it on our number line. I'm going to start at 6. I'm going to jump 1 time and I landed on 7. So 6 plus 1 equals 7. Very good. I hope you guys got a similar answer. Did you guys get 7? What strategy did you use? Wonderful. All right, we're going to do another one. Make sure you're listening. Is it addition or is it subtraction? Matt has 3 cars. His mom gave him 3 more. How many cars does he have now? Matt has 3 cars. His mom gives him 3 more. How many cars does he have now? Pause the video, solve it on your own. All right, so this problem tells us that there are 3 cars, and then he gets 3 more. Would this be addition or subtraction? It's addition, he's getting more. So we need to figure out how many there are altogether. Well, here's 3, and then I'm getting 3 more. How many are there altogether? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 altogether. How did you do on that one? Did you get 6? What strategy did you use? Very good. See you tomorrow.